Well, good morning. We're here at the Outline at NoHo. My name is David Coe. I'm the listing agent, and we've had a lot of buyers that were interested in kind of getting a sense of what our available units look like. And since we can't do any in-house showings, we figured we'd do a digital showing. So I'm going to walk you through two of our units today. One of our units is our Slate model that is under the process of being drywalled right now, so forgive the drywall mess, but it'll give you a good sense of what the floor plan looks like once it's been drywalled. And then secondly, I'm gonna walk you through one of our units that's available for sale. It's an amber unit, and it's the one that's listed on the MLS. So forgive the construction noise. We are still building here, although as you might notice, there is definitely precautions we're taking. Everyone's wearing gloves and masks, and we are going to continue to build as long as we can, and hopefully have these units ready to move into here very soon. All right, let's go. Okay, let me show you what the outside looks like. We're here at the Outline at NoHo. It is a collection of 27 homes built by Verona Homes. These are our olive units, which are the ones we'll be delivering first. These are 1,624 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3-bath homes. In the rear, we have our Slate model. These are 5 homes that'll be 1,846 square feet. And then if you look down, we have these homes. This community will run block to block on Victory Boulevard. We have our amber units and our navy units are in the back. So let me show you around the inside. Okay, we are here at our Slate unit, which is unit 27. This is a rear corner unit, and this home is still available for sale, although it has not been released yet. Let me walk you around this floor plan. So as you walk into the front here, first of all, this model, and as well as our amber and navy models, it does have a 2-car garage side by side. And then the Slate models and the navy models are actually going to enter in through this alley back through here. So a very quiet alley back through here. And as you can see, we are on the edge of the neighborhood. So everything else behind us are just residential single-family homes. You'll enter in through your garage. There's a little storage closet down through here, which is also where all the low voltage is. What comes standard in these units is a lot of technology, a smart home system, Panasonic air filtration system. You've got a nice big bedroom down on the first level, which is great if you have elderly parents or maybe elderly children or maybe a roommate situation. Nice closet. And then you've got a bathroom with a nice tub shower combination. On the second level, you'll enter into the master bedroom. And the master has his and hers closets. Both are the same size. Nice big closet space. And then you've got a huge space, perfect for a king-size bed. There'll be lighting that sits in over the bed, as well as a walk-in shower in your master. So instead of putting a bathtub in here, we've just got this huge walk-in shower. There's a separate room for the toilet, and then you'll have dual vanity sinks right through here. As you walk into the second level, there's another bathroom, which right now is our collection of wood and drywall supplies. There's a bathtub here, so if you do want to take a bath on this level, you do have a bathtub. You also have a stackable washer and dryer that are on this level. And this is the same for all 3 units, but how you access this is a little different in the amber and the navy units. And then you've got a 3rd bedroom. Again, lots of natural light, glass in here, and good sized bedroom with a huge closet. And as we walk up to the 3rd level, now these are floating stairs. This is just temporary wood. If you want to see a sample of what the real stairs look like, you can see the video for the model unit, which has been completely done. On this level, we've got a powder room, so you don't have to walk downstairs or upstairs if you want to use the bathroom. We have a kitchen. You'll have the peninsula will come out from this corner through here. You're gonna have the stove up against this part of the wall. Big, beautiful windows, nice black framed, double paned, super quiet in here. That's where your sink will be. Refrigerator has its own little built-in space, very sleek, very modern. And then this model also has a pantry, a nice size, really large walk-in pantry for all your food. What you also get in this model is your living space has these huge, almost 20-foot tall ceilings that is currently obscured by all of our scaffolding. You have a balcony in the front, which is great if you had a grill or just a little seating area off the third level. So that's why you get these big high ceilings here. We like to think of this loft as your thing space, whatever your thing is. If you're a gamer, it's a great gaming space. If you want to work from home, it's a great home office. If you like working out, it'd be a great spot for your Peloton bike or yoga mat. Whatever your thing is, this is a great spot for it. And you can see it looks down over the living space. Got a nice transom window. Pretty views today of the San Fernando Valley. You know, views that are pretty much, the sun rises here in the east, and you've got looking south all the southern the valley, Burbank, all the way over to Sherman Oaks, Studio City. NoHo West, the new development, is right here, just west of us about a mile. Actually just south of us, you can see that large structure is where the NoHo Arts District is, about a mile south of us. So this is our Slate unit.